keep going.
Let me go.
No. You don't get to sink.
I've killed many men. Destroyed many lives.
Yes, face it. Standing.
The wind's fair, brother. We could be home in a month. Someone lives there. I want to know what kind of men.
12 of you, the rest stay behind and ready to lead!
You could still turn around.